Welcome to another display tutorial. Today we're going to talk about run screen layouts. Run screen layouts allow us to configure different run screens for different operations. An example would be if we wanted to put on planner setup icons or user-defined windows on run 1 and maybe guidance user-defined windows on run 3. So in order to set up a layout for a run screen, we need to go back to our home screen, and then we're going to navigate to our toolbox. Once in our toolbox, we're going to go over to the Layout tab, and then there will be a default layer within the display. We just need to change this and name a new layout here. We're going to name this Plant, since we want all of our planting information on our Run 1 screen. You do have other options here as well. You're not limited to just a 2x6 window here. So if we don't want 2x6, we can actually change this to 1x4 and narrow down our number of user-defined windows on a run screen. We can also change the name of the run screen as well. So if we want to name the run screen Plant instead of Run 1, we can go into here and actually edit the name. And then from here we can change the user-defined windows. So I'm just going to give just a basic example here. If I just want my implement screen here, or user-defined window, and let's say if I want boundary control on one of the user-defined windows as well. And then once we have this the way we want it, we're going to navigate to the run screens, and you'll notice that my implement is here, my boundary control has also been set up, and I have a 1x4 screen, meaning one column, 4 different rows. And then my run screen itself is actually renamed to Plant. This can be customized however you want. You're not tied down to just one certain layout. You also have the capability as well to change the left-hand area here in most vehicles, and also Summary Data 1 and 2, which are located in the Performance screen right here. So Summary Data 1 and Summary Data 2 can be configured as well. And that's pretty much it on setting up the layouts on a run screen.